Good morning. This is what I woke up to. The bomb went off in here. Were you playing with dynamite last night? Come on, let's go to the house.
Man on a mission. Man with a plan. Man on a mission.
Okay, dude, let's do it.
Brett the VanLife man.
Yeah, I was really happy to see this thing, see that thing. Working this morning, I had it turned low, and I haven't had it turned low like that since it started acting up. So it stayed low last night. I think we were around 21, 22 in here last night. Very comfortable, very, yeah, it was beautiful. As for the dynamite that went off in here last night, well, we're slowly getting things organized in different places. And it will come together soon. Good news is, Wayne says he's up to 85%, so he's feeling good. He actually remade his bed this morning. 3 days in bed. It is gray and overcast, but it is nice and warm outside. We'll probably get to double digits again today. That's like 10 degrees Celsius. Plus, times 2 plus 32 is 50, early 50s for Fahrenheit. He's going to take off. He's running out of diesel and cat food. I'm going to organize this because I need to get ready for him. That's right. My neighbor Wayne is like 6 feet across from me. But he has all the crimping tools and everything for, oh, there it is right here, for this thing. And we're going to have to run new wire through there into the charging system. Because right now, I'm running at about 44% of 300 amps. So that's 120 amp hours left. That's good for probably another 2 days until I have to start the car up or get that battery charger put in. So I'm just finishing my coffee, sitting next to the fire. And yeah, the dude is chilling like a villain. Hey, dude? That's what you do the best. Oh, all those shadows, eh, dude? You look so comfortable. Are you hungry? Do you want to go outside? Do you just want to lie here and sleep? Okay, we'll let you. I'll clean up the mess. Well, dude. Huh? We cleaned up the bomb mess, right? Now what do we got to do? Is that your toys? There's your toys. Yeah. Oh. Well, as you can see, I spent the morning not only cleaning up myself, but this catastrophe from 3 projects trying to get done in one day. We only got one done. The fire pit, and it's going marvelous. Now I gotta work on this crap. This little MacBook has told me it needs an update, and this is the one that the video is on that's giving me problems. So we're looking at this one. I'm going to set this one up and see if I could get this one. I'm probably going to have to re-edit on this one. Oh. The good thing about re-editing, I've already spent hours editing on this one. So when you start over, you have a really good idea of where to cut, when to do this, when to do that. And then hopefully this computer will do it. I need to take the dive and jump into a better editor. I keep saying I will. They are very... Well, there's other easier ones, but they're on the phone, and I don't like working on a phone, but the ones that I can get onto my laptops are quite the step up from this, and I get a piece of it, but I don't have enough material. When I first was videotaping and making stuff for you guys on YouTube, I was putting out a video every 2 days, and I was traveling. So while you're traveling, I could make up to 2 or 3 videos in one day. And then I would go in to edit them, and then I could bank them. So you guys were always a week or two behind me. But with this illness I've had for the last year, well, I haven't been able to bank any of these videos. They're basically up to par with me, what's going on in my life now. So let's get to work on these and see what I can do while Wayne is still out shopping, because basically we're waiting for him to get back and help me with that electrical. Because as you can see, we already got the fireplace fixed, and he also took my propane with him so that we can get the Propex fixed. So everything's fixed except for electrical. So we need him and his crimpers and his wire, and he's out shopping, taking his time because I told him to, because he was sick for 3 days. So let me get back to this, and hopefully we can get a video up and going, because I got some on my camera still, and I got one in here in the laptops. So we need to get that one out of here and into you guys' TV or phones or laptops or whatever you guys watch on. Okay, I'll be right back. Ow. My hands are cramping. See, dehydration affects everything. I forgot to. I got all excited. Wayne just showed up. We spent 4 or 5 minutes in here creating this. Check this out.
You're gonna lose power for a sec.
That's okay. So we did these.
Well, not right now, but soon.
Wayne's on the other side of the wall there with my batteries, and these are the wires I just put on and the connectors. Yeah, so these are little buzz bars. I'm just tightening up the bolts, and then we're gonna find a spot for this, and these will join to this. So since Wayne is German, he told me to make sure those nuts were good and tight. Oh, I cracked myself up. So yeah, looks nice and pretty. The charger is stuck into place. We're going to put some straps and line these up nice and pretty on the wall. Let's go see what Wayne's doing. Oh, you're not Wayne. Where's Wayne? Don't jump, dude. There's no chair there. I know. Do you want me to put the chair down? There you go, buddy. Is that better? I have to go outside. I'm just going to go see Wayne. You're going to stay here. Like a good boy. Keep an eye out for things. Okay, we're gonna go check this out. Wayne's curled up in the spot I was in earlier. That's good. Look at that. Holy wire bar back, girl. Crazy. Not for the test. We're gonna go inside. Oh, hello, data boy. And hook everything all up, turn it on, and test it. Now where's that? Here we go, right here. This goes to this. Okay, here we go. We turn it on. Oh, look at that. He's doing some tests on here with his newfangled gadgets.
Not good. Low voltage, low current. So you're down, right?
Oh yeah, way down.
Yeah, so okay.
That's why we need a charger. The switch is off, so all you have to do is...
This is it here?
Yep. There we go.
40
Don't
amps.
don't blow a fuse. What do you run yours at?
35.
Nice. We did it.
You like my lithium battery tester?
Hey, look at that new battery tester. Look at that new battery charger. We're almost twice the charging power already with more room to spare. You can sure tell by the smile on his face how much he loves working with electrical stuff, eh? He went home. We're both going to have a little old man lie down. I just got to clean up my bed and snuggle with my little boy. Can I join you, buddy? Awesome. Thank you. See you guys in a bit. Well, a bit turned into a night, turned into a morning. I think I got what Wayne had. Yeah, I think I got what Wayne had. It's worse because with my COPD, I'm having exasperations, which means I can't breathe. So I started some medication, and it takes about 5 days to a week. Antibiotics and steroids. I'll come back tougher than ever. Peace, love, and granola. We'll see you guys on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to hit that like button. Till next one. Bye. If you're liking what you see, please come over and join the Dude and I on YouTube and check out more of my videos where you can subscribe, like, and comment.
Brent the VanLife man.